Hey, today we are in Volkswagen Tiguan MK1. This is a 2015 model, so it's the facelift one, and I'm going to show you how to reset the service inspection reminder. So when you turn the ignition on, you have the welcome ceremony, and then you have a reminder that in 27 days you need to change your oil. This car is already serviced, so the oil and filter was changed, and also the whole inspection was performed, so we can reset two reminders over here. One is for the oil change, and the second one is for the inspection, general inspection. So over here, when we are in the trip computer view, we have the fuel range. We can go one step to the left. We have settings. This is in Polish, but the last thing in settings should be service. Second to last. The last one is factory defaults, and this is service. And over here we have information, and we can see that we have oil change in 27 days and general inspection in 80 days. Also there is some mileage, whichever comes first, the time or the mileage, you will see those reminders. Okay, so for Volkswagen cars there's several methods to reset those messages, and I'm going to try to find the correct one for this setup. So as I said, this is Tiguan 2015 MK1 after facelift with the color display. Okay, so let's try it. So most likely you should put the key in the ignition, don't turn it, press and hold the 0 button, then turn the ignition on, release the button, and you have a question: do you want to reset your oil reminder? And you have option to do it, okay, and cancel. With up and down you can select which one you want to choose. So let's select OK, and let's check now. Let's go to the service menu, information, and we can see that the oil change interval is now 15,000 kilometers or 372 days. We still have the general maintenance reminder to reset, so let's try to do it. Resetting the general inspection reminder is very similar, but with one difference. You need to turn on your hazard lights. Now press and hold the button, turn the ignition on, and you have very similar question on the display, but instead of the oil reminder you have the general reminder, and also two options, OK and cancel. So let's select OK, and it should be cleared. Okay, now turn off the hazard lights. Let's scroll all the way down to the service information. Let's check it, and yeah, both oil and general inspections are reset. That's it. Thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.